Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix a billing problem on App Store and iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing any kind of billing problem and you want to fix your billing problem, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go ahead to your settings app and here go to general, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just go back from here and just select date and time, and you just have to enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. And then go back, go to language and region, select region and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, you just have to go back from here. You can also try to update your software if you find any kind of pending software update. Just try to update your software. After updating your software, how to go back and go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select a reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. You have to reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting. It will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network setting, you just have to go back and here I recommend you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Not true that you have to really personally so volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So it might be that the issue must have to be fixed, but in some condition, if your issue is still not fixed, so you have a simple way. You just have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web and select iPhone. Select this more option. Select App Store, and here just wait for the loading and then select Get More Help. Then tap on Call. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.